If you're ready to step up from semi-weighted keys and want something closer to a real piano feel, the Alesis Recital Pro brings 88 full-sized hammer action keys, 12 premium voices, 2x20W speakers and adjustable touch response, all aimed at serious beginners and budget-minded players who want realistic key resistance. Retail trackers list the Recital Pro around $399. List retail pricing varies, which puts it in direct competition with entry-level digital pianos from other brands, but with some nice extras like split layer and a solid lesson mode. The Pro's feature set makes it an attractive step up for students who plan to practice long-term. Users and reviewers commonly praise the hammer action and the overall value proposition. You get an 88-note weighted feel and a usable acoustic piano voice without paying $1,000. That said, a number of reviews mention occasional quality control or customer service hiccups, not unusual for mid-market electronics, so it's worth checking the specific seller and return options. Sonically and mechanically, for practicing scales, exercises and repertoire, it's a solid training instrument that bridges the gap to pricier stage pianos. Quick verdict: the Recital Pro is a very compelling choice if you want real hammer action keys and built-in speakers at a price that still feels accessible. It's a clear upgrade path for learners who take lessons and want a realistic touch. We share buy links in description box.